A set is said to be subset of B if every element of A is also an element of B. A set A is said to be subset of a set B if every element of A is also an element of B. In other words, A is subset of B if anywhere A belongs to A, then A belongs to B. It is often convenient to use the symbol implies. Using this symbol, we can write the definition of the subset of following. A subset of B if A belongs to A, epsilon A belongs to B. A subset of B if A belongs to A implies A belongs to B.